how to fix high system storage on Poco M8. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device. If you want to restart device, click on power button and volume up button at the time. You will see after click power button and volume up button, you will see restart phone. After restart, you will see and you will see check your problem is solved. If it not solved, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on more creativity option and click on reset settings and click on reset settings. Enter your phone pin and click on OK. After click on OK, you will see your problem is solved. If it not solved, click on go back and click on additional settings and click on developer option. Scroll down and search media DRM from here. Media DRM is here. So make sure install your software update latest. If it not latest, update your software update your software. After update software, you will see your problem is solved. If it's still not solved, so again click on settings app and click on about phone. Scroll down to and click on factory reset and click on erase all data. After click on erase all data, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix high system storage on Poco M8. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.